Welcome to this short demo video on gravitation. In this video, we will be learning few things about gravitation. So, if we are asked what is gravitation, then here is the answer. That gravitation is a force. So, gravitation is a force by effect of which an object gets attracted towards the other. So what we can say is gravitation is a force by effect of which an object will get attracted towards the other object. So what we can say here is gravitation is attractive type of force. So just to compare it with Coulombic force, what we have observed in Coulombic force is Coulombic force are of two types. One is attraction type and the other is repulsion type or repulsive type. So what we have observed is Coulombic force are of two types, but gravitational force are of single type only, that is attraction type only. This can be understood as follow, that charges are of two types, that is one is positive charge and the other one is negative charge. So here the attraction between the unlike charges and the repulsion between the like charges can be observed. But since the mass does not exist in the negative form, so here the attraction type of force is only possible in gravitational force. Just to understand more about gravitation, let us consider some observation. So here is our observation 1. So what is say in observation 1 is, since a force is needed to change the speed or direction of motion of a body. So what we have learned in our motion chapter is, if we want to change the position of certain object, by that time a force is required, or if you want to stop certain object, by that time also a force is required. So to have a motion or to perform certain motion, a force will be required. So just to consider some example, like if a planet moves around the sun, so definitely there is one motion. Similarly, the moon moves around the earth, so again there is a motion. So these motions are performed by certain force, and that force is nothing but the force of gravitation acting between these two things. Means for the first example planets and the sun, and for the second example it is in between moon and the earth. So there exists gravitation between these two objects or these two bodies. Since we have learned that the gravitation is attraction type of force only, so every object will be attracted towards the other. Just to have more idea about gravitation, let us consider our observation 2. So what is said in observation 2 is, if a mango is thrown upward, it is attracted towards the earth. Means what we observe is, if a mango is thrown upward, so what we observe after some time is that mango returns to the earth. That means it is attracted by the earth. So this is just observation from our side. But what happens is, actually the mango also attracts the earth, and what we observe is the earth does not move. So how it can be explained is, it can be explained with the help of second law of motion. So according to second law of motion, what we have seen is force applied on a body is directly proportional to the product of its mass and the acceleration produced by that force. So if we consider that F is a common force acting between the mango and the earth, by that time it will be like this, means mass of the earth into acceleration of the earth. Similarly, mass of the mango into acceleration of the mango. So here what we have considered is F as the common force acting between mango and the earth, capital M as the mass of the earth, and we need to change it as small m. So small m as the mass of mango. So just to evaluate the magnitude of acceleration produced by the mango on the earth, which we have denoted by A1, we can write it as A1 will be equal to F upon capital M. Similarly, A2 will be equal to F upon small m. So this is the acceleration produced by the mango on the earth. So what we observe here is the mass of earth is very high. So denominator part gets very high. By that time what will happen is acceleration will be very small, and what we can say is earth will be like almost stationary. And similarly, if we consider acceleration on the mango produced by the earth, by that time what we can say here is here the mass of moon is very small, so the acceleration produced by that force which is acting in between these two particles will be acceleration will be very high only. Why? Because here the mass is small, so denominator part gets small, so by effect of which the acceleration will be very high.